Tell me that you love me, that you're mine. Tell me, tell me, my love. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Tell me you've been always been mine. Tell me, tell me the truth. Where you going? Where you been all my life? Have you came down to these levels and told me that I'd be crashing down? Good morning, Mazelli. How have you been? Have you had your coffee? What's going on? What is going on? Yeah, I don't know. I've just been in a little melodic mood. And besides the fact that I have a loud Hispanic family here, and you can probably hear that, that doesn't say that this voice is indeed more powerful. Because this lion roars, this lion bites, and if anybody decides to bite off of me, I will bite them back. Do not copy me. That's all I gotta say. But with that being said, welcome to another stream of yours truly, Lion of All Trades. And welcome to the beginning of the end. So, as you know, I didn't really get to find my mouse. I was lazy. I didn't feel like looking for it. So I'll look for it again tomorrow. Rob the Pilot. Long time. I think it's been a couple of months, maybe? Why does it feel like it's always been a long time seeing you, Rob? I hope all is well. I hope all is well in Canada. And that you are, in fact, properly hedged and ready for things to happen from now on till, I guess the first rate cut, whenever that is. We all have to work, Rob. We are all busy, so we can all understand each other and know that we are grinding and we are trying to make as much as we can to be able to survive the incoming collapse. Allegedly, supposedly, hypothetically speaking, of course. But you're in a space. Oh, Sway. Oh my god, Sway. That was unexpected. Thank you for stopping by. I hope everything is well. And sooner or later we will get another space running in the near future. Perhaps on the weekend. Maybe like last Saturday. And yeah, we can just get the show on the road and update ourselves in what's going on. But I hope everything is well on your end. And it's good to see you here, Sway. Don't forget to hit that like button. If you haven't, please subscribe. Thank you. You are the best, and all the best. All the vibes back at you. This is a long time coming, and I hope you're ready. I know I'm ready, and hopefully everyone else is ready. And in case, tell the people in the space I said hello, and happy holidays too as well. Merry Christmas. Um, Y'all get that spiked eggnog ready too for some celebration. But incredible. Yeah, if you're here, just stop by to say hello. It means a lot to me. So thank you again. Um, we're just waiting for the biggest Christmas present of them all, and we've we've well I don't know about you, but I've been just preaching how the Santa rally would come short, and that that Santa wears red and white, mostly red. So I figured, heck, they're just suckering in all the bulls and pumping them up to believe that such thing is happening. But as you know, that wasn't the case today, and we've rejected hard. Sway says I have socks puts in December. End of December. You know what's? Oh man, you reminded me. I used to have socks L. Um, and I completely forgot about that. Um, by the way, that's non-financial advice. All right, you did not see that. You didn't hear it from me. You didn't hear it from anybody else. Shh. It's all good. It's all good. Um, we could talk about it though. We could talk about it and what it's all about. Of course, it has something to do with semiconductors. You have the bearish, three times leverage. Oh, you mean the calls? Oh, damn. Okay. Uh, so if it's all bear, then wait. So we want to be a bear. We want to be a bear for socks. I like me some socks and long ones too for the cold. Yeah. Nice little pop we got there from that little drop in the market. So this seems like a great suggestion. Again, not financial advice, but you can pretty much tell. Basically, it says bear. So if the market's going bearish, you know what to do. Wink, wink. And then for SOXL, socks extra large. That's bull for bullish. And obviously, with what happened earlier today, and stop doing that, mouse. Stop it. It's pretty much just mimicking what happened in the markets. So that's pure indication right there. I appreciate you sharing that information too as well. I completely forgot that I used to play SOXL. I was gonna do it for the long term and collect dividends, but then again, I just realized the taxes and stuff like that, and I didn't really get to continue um, gaining my position in it because I started doing something else. Um, but do keep these two in your watch list just in case. Six, my 6 month old spy puts expired useless. When's the crash? Man, um, man, that is a great question. That is a great question. When is exactly the crash? Plus, on top of that, on 8:30 tomorrow in the morning, we have GDP. GDP, could that actually also reveal some true data in regards to this continuation to the downside? We would have to see. But I just I don't know, Rob. To me, I just had a feeling that we wouldn't really necessarily crack all-time highs at four. Was it 479.99? And I don't know. It was just weird to me. I'm like, no, there's no way. There's no way. At some point, there's got to be a huge rejection. I even look. Just playing around. Just playing around. I decided to draw and highlight these circles last night just for fun. And I'm like, you know what, Spy? I dare you to hit those circles one by one, not knowing the fact that this drop was going to occur. And I guess lo and behold, it kind of did. And I was so shocked. Well, we didn't see it coming at all. This all happened quite around like maybe at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. But look, seeing you and me, Rob, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people as well. I've been burnt so many times. Hold on, okay. Oh wait, hold on. That's weird. How is this? Wait. Can you hear me? Am I? Is it better now? This microphone thing is a little sensitive. Well, what I was gonna say, Rob, is it's I feel you, bro. Like we all have been burnt so many times, trying to figure out when exactly the spy was going to finally take its turn for the worse, and you could see it. You could see the ups, the downs, the like oh, could this be it here, and could we fall right below? And then all of a sudden we just get this huge pump, consolidate, a big drop, thinking that was it, but no, then we return back up, and then another pump, and so forth, and it just continued going up and going up and going up. And it just didn't make sense to me how much they pumped the crap out of the markets, and just beyond, like, pumping articles here and there. Oh, this bank or this so and so analyst saying we can see SPY, the SPX hit 5,000 in 2024. You know, so and this is all just strictly my opinion, by the way, just in case. And it's just it's just too good to be true. So it's like, um, what will it take for this to actually happen? So now I feel like we have a pretty good idea of the situation where, um, if we can do this chart wise, it's that we, perhaps we retest around 470 ish, maybe 471, or we can hit that bear flag and start rejecting from there and start reaching new lows on the day tomorrow and so forth. I wouldn't see why this would have any reason to come back up and pretty much gain everything that was lost in that one big candle in the 4 hour. But of course, this is all at your own risk. So, Rob, all I could say is, if you want to play it safe, of course, not financial advice, always give yourself time. I know somebody had told me this a long time ago, but it's that person is right. We really have to give ourselves that time, that certain amount of time, and just let the process go through. Let it all come to fruition. and you will see and you will reap the benefits. Hopefully that's the case. Hopefully we can all learn from this and figure out what the trend is telling us, where to follow the money, and quite simply, just be like them and be like what they're doing, if that makes sense. Be like the big dogs. Follow the money. Because if I would have known that too as well, I could have made a killing on the way up, all the way from 400. But nobody really has that hindsight 2020 vision. But we gotta have it now, and we gotta take advantage of the moment now. So you and everybody else and myself won't get into that situation again, and we'll benefit from it. And that's my 2 cents. So, but anywho, this is indeed looking. Let's see. This is the DMI stochastic extreme. This baby's at 77. Got a little arrow pointing down, which indicates to me that we are in a bearish trend. My thing is, if it rejects over this level, this is the hourly here on the 30-day time frame, then I would probably say 468, 467.90, 468 as the next level of support. And if it breaks below, then that shit is getting real. So that's enough for the SPY. I'm still gonna leave these circles here because why not? Just for fun. And knowing the fact that I've said this many times way before, the fact that I'm calling this the biggest bull trap in history. So let it be known. Anywho, so just remember this and just trust the process. Even the weekly, dear Lord, even the weekly has given us a nice juicy bearish hammer. So perhaps that gives you all the indications that you need, the confirmation I meant to say, and that we see a big move coming. Moving on to our beloved global tech industries, GTII. Where's the music? Hold on, let me put some music on. Oh, hold on. So, listen, Zali. The fire in your eyes, all I ever see in my mind is the love that burns here tonight. So that is what I was trying to show you earlier. Probably gonna get excited now. Where's my thing at? Hold on. I need some tunes. I need to relax. Hold on, baby. And ooh, wait a minute. Oh, okay. All right. Well, is this gonna actually hold up? All right. So oil is actually making a little reversal here. We want this to come back to 74 and stay here, consolidating, and hopefully we can be able to. Yeah, I'd say stick around 74, and hopefully we see more push, more pushing for the Cushing. If not, then we got something like a Head and Shoulders. I mean, I wouldn't want to see it fall back to 72. We're trying to keep the momentum up and alive for oil. What do we see for oil? All right, so 42 minutes ago, this by Trading Economics, oil eases as U.S. inventory rise. There you go, just for you. All right, so crude futures fell below $74 per barrel on Thursday, snapping. When I say Thursday, I guess they're ahead of time. Snapping a 6-day advance as a surprise build in U.S. crude inventories overshadowed concerns about supply disruptions in the Middle East. EIA data showed that U.S. crude stockpiles increased by 2.9 million barrels last week, defying expectations for a 2.3 million barrel decline. Let me read this part here. Meanwhile, investors continue to monitor developments in the Red Sea, where Houthi attacks on ships disrupted global trade. However, analysts noted that the impact on oil supply has been limited so far, as the bulk of Middle East crude is exported via the Strait of Hormuz. Oh, okay. When tensions rise, so does oil. Okay. Where did we go? Okay, so we're on GTII now. Let's see what's going on. As we were actually up 11%. Believe it or not. Wow. Let's see how the volume reacted today. Nice doji. I believe that's what it is. We got a nice little doji candle here in the daily. Oh no, this is the weekly. Okay, so it's turned back green. All right. Wow. We got the arrow right here too as well. This is all meeting together. The RSI is all the way low at 17. We know that 20 is that level where it's oversold. We can definitely get that bounce incoming. Let's see that MACD, por favor. What are we doing on the MACD? Where's the two lines? Interesting. The lines are missing. Is this a glitch? Oh wow, they could glitched out. Okay, this is keeping steady here. And the blue, if it's over the neutral line here and the beige, that's good. So all we need is this to start curling up within the next week, and then we'll see everything come up. And then we move to the daily. Let's move to the daily. The daily. Alright, what you got for me on the daily? Let's see. Ooh. See, we got that little curl up like we actually spoke about last night's stream. Oh, this is good. Well, check it out. Right here. Curl up. We got that dark red bar printed. So that is bullish momentum. the volume was actually a lot higher today too as well. Compared to yesterday's volume at 255,939, today's volume was at double at 409,069 shares traded. That's very nice. We still have the RSI here actually at 4. Is it really 4? Hold on. Yeah. Wow, unbelievable. This is still at 4. Still has a means to curl right back up. Opposite direction. Let's see. Okay, that's cool. Actually, this is, I don't know. This is actually messing with me a little bit. I might have to remove this. Yeah, I might have to remove this. Okay, just leave the RSI. And, hold on. Just doing a quick edit here. Left axis, move to that side. Alright, I think that's a little bit better now. Yeah, that's a lot better here now. Yeah, this thing is still oversold, completely oversold, but you can actually tell that this is a flattening. It's like sideways, and I want to see this on a closer. I want to view this closer. Let's see. 450, 436, 420.22. So we just need this curl to start, to continue, and perhaps we see 45 cents again. We actually reached 45 cents today, 0.4566. The low of this candle was 41 cents, and the close was at 43.12. So we moved up 4 cents, almost 5 cents in total. So even though it's something tiny, it's something, something that to me I feel optimistic about and positive, because this could be good news for the stock, and for this to start trending back up for a reversal and retest 45 and see this hit 50 cents soon. All hope is not lost. I'm saying this again. All hope is not lost for GTII. I keep saying it, and the fact that we are still within that range, it's incredible how we've been holding up for all this time. And yeah, I know the wait is excruciating. It's dreadful, just seeing this get pummeled day after day. But to see that glimmer of hope and that light at the end of the tunnel, knowing that it's getting brighter and brighter by the day, there's just only one thing that's pretty much there to be said. And I really think that you can quote on me on this. I could be wrong. It's okay to be wrong. But I believe that the time is almost here. So all we got to do is just hold on. Trust your conviction. Trust the process. And know your why. Know what you've been fighting for all this time. And you got this. That goes for a lot of stocks too. not just GTII, you know, finger. Finger's another one, which I'll show in just a couple of moments. Beautiful. This is actually really good. Here we are, just coming off from 39 cents. I got the trend chaser here, this indicator giving me the arrow, and what we gotta see is this continuation to the upside. You have the displaced EMA, the 8-day, finally over the 18, and about to start crossing over the 43-day. So that is another good confirmation there. The MACD also shows a bright green bar there printed, and it's indeed curling up above the neutral line. Also the RSI is curling up. So I'm even way more optimistic now, more positive about this move in terms of a reversal. So let's just keep that in mind, and let's see what happens tomorrow. And we can go to finger real quick. I'm not gonna really do long streams, you know. I don't want it to like get dragged out, you know. I just want to get to the point, but also I just want to be able to say thank you for stopping by, to all the viewers that visit here, all the guests. Much love to y'all. Happy holidays. Whoever's new here, hey, show some love, hit that like button, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe to this channel and just vibe with us, you know. If you got anything to share, any thoughts, any opinions, any suggestions, anything that I don't know about, you know, you can share it with us, you can share it with me, we'll talk about it. And you just this is the platform to do it. And I've said this before also in spaces. I give the space, the platform for the people to express themselves. And it's the same with this stream here on YouTube, because I figure all voices matter in this situation, and we can just come together and we can all learn from each other, and see where you come from, you know what I'm saying? So by all means, much love. Thank you, Sway. You already know. Zelly, Rob. So we're here at finger motion. We can just quickly check to see if there's any news in particular. And so there is apparently a big data update that was released at 9 in the morning today, and it's from Singapore. Let's read this real quick. Knowing the fact that I'm not really much of a you know, deep dive informative guy, I like to, you know, do more charting and stuff like that, but I like to read too as well and see what's going on. So maybe this is really positive for finger. It says here, so today they provided an update on its big data subsidiary branded okay, I can't read that. Sapientis, like Homo sapiens, or I don't know. So Sapientis highlights include the following: Number one is big data models are well positioned for commercialization in the next coming year. Sapientis expects to engage more partners for commercial applications and expanded use cases. Two, existing partners are in the integration phase, gradually ramping up adoption and are expected to transition to large-scale commercialization phase in the next 2 to 3 years. Three, big data product modules are evolving at an ever-increasing pace, with insurance modules expected to move beyond underwriting and risk management to sales and customer engagements. In addition, a growing number of modules that extend beyond insurance will be designed and structured if well aligned. And four, as developmental milestones are reached from these innovations, the company looks to move from per usage charges to profit sharing and or commission-based arrangements. It says here that the past year has been transformative to Sapientis. The proprietary analytic models have been collaboratively tested and validated with empirical insurance data. Damn, what these big words here. Jeez, I gotta brush up on my vocabulary here. The studies have demonstrated a high degree of accuracy in their predictive value in tracking substandard cases, which is pivotal in the enhancement of the overall insurance underwriting experience. Within the health insurance segment, health insurance, okay. The algorithms have empowered reinsurance providers with more flexibility to manage insurance portfolios and hopefully improve profitability. Extending beyond insurance, the analytical capabilities of these intelligent models should assist in identifying ideal customers with higher engagement levels. Oh, big words. My gosh. Ugh. So the CEO is saying we are just scratching the surface of what is possible in our big data division. Scratching the surface. Oh, yes. Reinsurance is a very large business, but as artificial intelligence has shown us, the market for predictable algorithms is almost infinite. What do you think about those big words, y'all? In the comment section, let me know. What else we got here? So I guess that's the update for Finger Motion. Anything for GTII? I actually missed that. Oh, wait. 2 days ago, I didn't see this. So retains the services of Mr. Luke Rabari as a management consultant. Who is this? So its board of directors have approved and authorized management to retain the services of Mr. Luke Rabari, a managing member of Equity Armor Investments, LLC, to assist the company's board of directors in 2024 with refocusing its short and long-term goals, including a succession plan for its senior management. Mr. Rabari will also assist management in assessing the status of several of its closed and still pending deals. 1-800. What is that? That one. Then that mining. Oh gosh, I forgot the name of it. Sway, help me out here. You might know. I think it's. Oh, it's been so long. I know it rhymes with bento. I'm thinking of food here. God, I wish Keith was here to help me out. He knows. But it's a big mining company based in, I think, Peru. And they were supposed to be Trento. Thank you. Thank you, Sway. Trento. I say it, bento. I'm hungry as a mother. Wanting a bento box with some chicken katsu over rice, some sushi rolls, and some miso soup. Oh my god. No, yeah, I have my phone right down here, so like, even though it's a little delayed, it's I think it's probably like 5 second delay. But yeah, I'm covered. I see you. I see y'all. I see you in the chat down there. Hello. So yeah, Trento. For those who do not know what that's all about, we are gonna find out right now, right now, right now, right now, right now. So here, no, it was in Peru. It was Chile. It was in Chile. So check it out. Projects in development committed to maximize shareholder value. All right. So Trento Resources and Energy Corp. The overview here says Trento Resources and Energy Corporation, Trento, is a privately held Delaware corporation owned by Mr. Sean Wintraub, I guess. He created the company to acquire a 40% interest in Inversions Trento SPA, which is a privately held company registered in Copiapo, Chile, whose purpose is to develop, refine, and sell rare earth minerals and iron, which is the Trento project. Ooh, them bronchioles are firing up. Trento Spa owns 1,400 hectares. I think that sounds huge. 100 hectares of mining concessions for rare earth minerals and iron in Chile. Operations are projected to commence in 2022 with full-scale production expected to by the end of 2023. Hold up. I'm just reading this now. So by the end of this year, which is like literally 11 days away. So, I mean, let's theory time. Theory time. It's time for theories. Put your theory cap on. So, what if the story of the chart is telling us that the deal for Trento is on the way? What if this is the position here of where the deal goes through in succession and all of a sudden, boom? Could be the possibility. Because, believe it or not, this is a huge deal. And there's a lot of people that have said that this is the biggest deal for GTII. And, of course, you know what's happening now. And minerals, fine metals, precious metals, or iron, you know, things like that. You know, it tends to get a little expensive. So GTII is potentially hitting a gold mine and striking it rich. Theoretically, supposedly. And this is big. This is big. So the timeline of the project, we'll discuss this. So November 10, 2021, company entered into a stock purchase agreement with Trento. Sean Wittraub, its sole shareholder. He is a United Nations Global Initiative founder who bears diplomatic status and has dedicated over 20 years of his life to the development of breakthrough technologies for humanity. Pursuant to the SPA, GTII issued 100,000 shares of common stock to Wittraub, with 100 million shares to be issued upon Trento's successful raising within 6 months of funds sufficient to support large-scale mining operations at the Trento mining project located in Copiaco, Chile, which was, so November 10th, 2021. Then on December 9th, GTII retained Bertrand Galindo, Baruelet, and CIA. So Bertrand Galindo, which is a firm headquartered in Santiago, Chile, to conduct a due diligence review of Trento's interest in Trento SPA and the related mining concessions, operations, land easements, permits, and assets related to the Trento project. And then on March 24th, 2022, Vanner Capital Resources Limited, the underwriter of a $350 million bond offering for Trento SPA, entered into a memorandum of understanding with Style Age Inc., a U.S. corporation with offices in Miami and Dubai, pursuant to which the parties are engaging in discussions to enter into a definitive agreement for the purchase by PSI of the entire $350 million bond offering. Yep. So that is a basic rundown of what this is all about. Your comments, your thoughts? How do you like them apples, baby? Oil is kicking back up. Look at that. Back to 74 bucks. Perhaps we can retest 75 once more again by tomorrow. That is the prediction right now. Going back to GTII. So there you go. That's what we have right now so far. And also there was supposed to be a 1-800 law firm deal. You see something here. Alright, so this was May 15, 2023. Extends closing date with Wildfire Media Corp and the 1-800 law firm brand to May 15, 2023. So Wildfire Media licenses 1-800 law firm and other brands to a national network of law firms committed to protecting the rights of clients in areas as diverse as consumer protection, environmental hazards, civil rights, and criminal defense, among other areas. Environmental hazards, consumer protection. Okay. Top of form, founded in 1996, Wildfire Media provides performance-based marketing and technology solutions that enables law firms to concentrate on what they do best. Wildfire Media has established a legal support organization so that law firms are equipped to combine advances in the latest technologies along with best operational practices, both provided by their LSO. So that's another rundown about that. But this is actually let's talk about it, Zelly. Before anything, so that's just a theory. This is just a big what if right here. And we can put here. Can we actually put notes here? Or what? Let's see. Text note. Let's see. That's cool, huh? Look at that. No, wait. It's cool. I'm trying to move this. Oh god, hold on. Alright, hold on. Okay. Bold. Save as default. Bam. Actually, no. We can change the color on this. We'll put it as white. Save as default. Alright. So we'll leave that there. Just speculation, just theory. Now let's go to oil. An update on oil and IMPP and all that you want to see. All right. So here we go. So we see that we actually ended up bouncing off. Let's go to the daily. Let's go to the daily. Daily, a little better. Okay. Let's say we were in this candle. So even though this trend line wasn't perfect, you know, of course, like I still need practice. But in some ways, this actually managed to stay above, and we broke new day highs today. So the end of the wick of this candle on the top was 256. So we literally reached the point of resistance here at 250, 256, the new high. So that's awesome to see. IMPP has been trending all the way since, since August, middle of August. I couldn't quite understand what happened here. I think this was earnings when IMPP dropped from 328 then into the next day into 190 to 153. Such a huge drop. But ever since then, we had I think there was people interested in these ranges of prices, and just volume started kicking back up, as you can see here. You know what? Let me actually edit this so you can actually see these volume bars in color. Way better. There you go. And you can see here that we have been gaining more volume on the buy side, and that's a lot of volume, honestly. Keeps the pressure on. The MACD is it's I'm gonna say it's like almost to the max where it could possibly find a pullback, but the trend is just so good. The trend is just so good, and the RSI is completely overbought. So you can imagine from this point in time around, hold on, let me just stay back here, around here, which is November 22nd, and then we started that uptrend, that upward channel, and now, let's move this out the way. Let's see if we can actually make this more appeasing. Wait, is it appeasing? No. Appealing. What am I saying appeasing for? My gosh, my vocabulary is all like out of whack right now. Let's see what we can do. Maybe we can do this. And maybe lift this a little bit longer. So let's figure this out. I'd say here in the MACD, there's a bright green bar printed, so it usually means that there's more momentum to the upside. So this could hold steady and continue up. And of course, not to mention with the correlation of oil here as it reaches $74 again to the upside, and the potential to rebound and go back to 75 bucks per barrel. Just know that I've stated before, this stock moves with oil, just like the others that I mentioned too, INDO, HUSA, MARPS, not so much because that one has been a bit choppy for a while. And then you have ENSV. So I had mentioned to just keep those 5 on your watch list and just keep an eye on crude oil at the same time and see what's going on. Now, what I found out is this is still under. Give me 1 second. So this is still under hard to borrow, and we're gonna find out where the cost to borrow is right now for IMPP. Now, just for the record, I don't have an account with these websites. I figured I should in order to access like real accurate data, and so I can be able to see like what it's like now. But so from what it's telling me, the short interest percent flow is 19.52%, but the off exchange short volume ratio is 49.71%. That's 244,020 shares. Can you guys tell me if that's really high? And that's dark pool volume, by the way. But that short volume ratio, that seems a little bit big to me. Short shares available as of 18 minutes ago, updated 7 hours ago. We had about 200,000 shares available of shares to short 7 hours ago. And the latest on short borrow fees, it says here 9.28%. So we're still, it hasn't even moved that much at all. So putting some pressure on those interest rates for those shorts to borrow. We can probably look at another website. Let's see what this says. Let's see what this says. 9.28 cost to borrow. Yeah, so yeah, right around the same. 9.28%, 9.3%. Not too high. Yep, so 200,000 shares. And yeah, the data right now as we're speaking. Cost to borrow 9.28. Keeps going up, then you already know what that means. So combination with that and oil to be able to continue pushing back up. But here goes some articles 7 minutes ago. Hold on. Oh damn, I can't see it. It says here, oil set to end winning streak over US stock build. I gotta see what that's all about. All right, so okay, so we can probably determine that IMPP will indeed try to retest 250 and break over 256, and we'll head to 270, 275 if things start to heat up in combination with that hard to borrow rate. If there's any pullback, I would assume that they're using the shares to borrow, and we could pull back to 220. The most that it could try to pull back is 215 to 220 in those areas. But if it holds above the trend line, even though the trend line is not too great, then we can definitely continue that trajectory, that uptrend to 260 and beyond. Heck, might as well just give us a little preview of what you can do, IMPP. We'll see here at the 4-hour chart. We have a little cross here in the MACD in the green, so that gives us a little bit more confirmation to try to hit over 256 to 260. Although RSI is still overbought. Let's go to the hourly. We have a curl up here on the RSI too as well. Probably try to reach over the overbought line. There's a yellow arrow here on the bottom pointing up, so that's just giving you the confirmation that we're still on the uptrend. Boom, boom, these two little candles here, so we have a little bounce. So let's mark it. Let's mark this right here and see if we can fill this spot. That's the bullish scenario, and this would be the bearish scenario right here. I'm going to remove this line and this line to prevent further confusion. I don't know if I've ever seen anybody like do this too. Like just use like circles, highlighted circles, and kind of like guess where the stock would trend. 248 resistance, right? Even on the ask right now, like at close, it was at 249. So this. So we'll just leave it like that. Boom. And obviously if that continues, then we have that. So let's keep that noted. A little bigger here. Okay. You see how like I just click it once and all of a sudden it just zooms back out without me even wanting to do it? Yeah, I gotta find that mouse. Konyu, man. So annoying. Alright, so got that noted. What is I know INDO and yeah, INDO for some reason was actually gaining a bit, but then all of a sudden this got a little. This actually got attacked. This was at 285 on the high of this candle. This was at 10 a.m. And around 11 a.m. we got the hits, the attacks, and they sent this from 283 all the way down to 262. So either that's a little pullback there, or probably a pullback to 250, and then just like bounce right back up. Damn, what? No, I'm not trying to compete with anybody, Matt. The fuck? I'm just trying to like do my thing, dude. The faces talking, they're great, man. Stop trying to instigate. Beat your ass. If we both on, then we both on. Then again, who's been on most of the time in the past week or so? You tell me. Yeah, boo. Matt is here. Boo. Get him out of here. Throw a tomato at him. Boo. Make him choke on that tomato too. Oh, wait. Ace is on again line. You in competition. I must be dyslexic. I don't know. I have glasses on and everything too. I don't know. Maybe I need to like increase the size of the text. I'm a little blind. Let's lower this down a little bit. Boo, Matt. So what's going on, Matt? What's going on today? I've seen some people trying to give up, and I'm like, wait, whoa, what is going on? People trying to give up their positions and like state that publicly. Let me ask you something though. Would you ever, in the right mind, go on Twitter and reveal that you're about to give up on your position and sell? Unless you're here trying to play mind games with the other side and thinking that they've won, but in reality they're just playing mind games, but then they're still in that position and they're not giving up. Just curiosity, you know. INDO. I think it was HUSA that I've seen something happen here. Yeah. Yeah, he posted that too. It's like Ace and somebody else talked him out of it. It's like talking somebody out of suicide. Like, oh my god, I can't. I want my life. I want my life. I can't. Listen. I'm gonna be straight up here. I'm gonna be tough. I'm gonna be tough here, Matt. You know me. I say things straight up, and I'm gonna buck you up. You know what I'm saying? But listen, as much as I like that people are believing in what they're in this stock for and their conviction and all this stuff, like, why would you put that out there? Why would you put yourself in that position and reveal these things, and then you just like making it seem like, oh, it's the end of the world, bruh. You know what you're getting yourself into. You know that, like things are rough. I know. You know what I'm saying? I know things are rough. But you gotta understand that this is your one-way ticket out of all of that misery, all of that frustration, all of those hardships that you've been through in life, with whoever, with family, kids, if you got kids, anything, whatever situation, that is your ticket. That is your ticket. And this people, I don't know if I'm the only person out there that's preaching this right now and saying that GTII is at a range and it hasn't dropped, and then it's looking like we are going to pop. No, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice, but the time is ticking. I said earlier, the time is almost here, and you're gonna give up everything that you put your hard work and your blood, sweat, and tears, your hard-earned money into this, because really, you can't do that to yourself. Like, if things were that hard, financially, I get it. One thing that you could have done is be content with what you have. Keep it to the side in the back of your portfolio, and then just keep making your money, keep grinding. But don't just throw in big chunks, and then, obviously not have enough to do everything else and pay off certain things because you put in like 10K into GTII every month. Don't do that to yourself. I'm pretty sure that whatever you have now, and hopefully you have the lowest average, and you have a huge position, I'm pretty sure at any given moment, any given time, any given week, this thing pops. We're back at $1. And you're pretty much set. I'm pretty sure that if this thing pops tomorrow at $3, theoretically speaking, $3 or $5, you'll be set. You'll be set, and you won't even have to worry about any of that trouble. You'll be out of that. Of course, you got to deal with taxes. By that I mean Uncle Sam. But regardless of that, you made your goal. Mission accomplished. You were in this to win this. But by all means, don't do that. Don't put all that stuff out there on the Twitter, don't go on social media in general to reveal positions and reveal what you're gonna do, because that's you know what that means. You know what that makes you look like. Matt, go ahead. What does that make him look like? I'm gonna let y'all answer that question. But no, you see, I'm just saying theoretically those numbers. But I know for a fact that it's not gonna be 3 or 5. It's not even gonna be 9. It's probably not even gonna be 20 or 50. As a matter of fact, it's probably not even gonna be 200. But I know that number is out there. And if we hit that, oh, you can definitely call it a transfer of wealth for a lot of people who really did the right thing and invested into this stock. 10K a share. You might as well break the whole system with that amount. You might as well crash the whole market. Because I've never seen, besides the fact that Berkshire Hathaway has a stock that's 6 figures. But if that's possible, I'm pretty sure GTII at 10K is possible. Theoretically. I gotta keep saying theoretically because it's just a theory. And it's just strictly our opinion. So yeah, even if you have one share. Wow, one share at 10K? Damn, that's... And then you just keep flipping that 10K into something else. But by all means, Jesus Christ. Matt, what are you saying? Is it? I think it's... Oh, I just yawned. Look at HUSA. Zali, check this out. Hold on, give me 1 second. I need to bolden these EMAs, because you really can't see this at all. And do I have this wrong? I think I have this wrong. I think it's supposed to be 13 and 40. 13? No. Is it 18 and 43 or is it 13 and 43? I can't know. I don't remember. Oh shoot. I don't remember at all. It's probably the 13 and 48. Okay. Ooh. Okay, wait a minute. So we have a potential right here. This is the hourly. We have a golden cross on the hourly here. But then again, the MACD crossed, flipped red. But then again, we have this. We would have this trend over the 50. No, I mean the 43 EMA. Huh. Let me check the smaller time frames. Dun, 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 dun. Wow, even HUSA had a little trend to the upside for a bit, and the highest it got up to was 188 and back down to 180. So maybe, just maybe, it could just pull back to 175 and see a bounce and respect this trend, just like it did previously around here. You just highlight it right there. So you look for another bounce here. And who knows? Maybe we can see HUSA back at $2. Last time we were at $2 was November 14. November 14. I can't go any more farther than that. Hold on. Ooh, we're pulling back a little bit. This could play out as a double top. No, double bottom. Unless you want to hold it right there. Just hold it right there. Just stay right there. Just bounce back up. Stay right there. You bugging. Nah, you bugging. What's going on here? 10 more ugly women for a second. What? For a second share? Damn. That must be a huge discount for you, Matt. Oh, they gave you like 5 positions for that discount? Because that's a good deal for you, and then you'll be able to get that second share of GTII. Really? Church? It's either that or a bar or a lounge. But I wouldn't want to get into that subject because I do not know about that. And meeting women in church, that's yeah. All right, we got the MACD ready to flip soon on the 15-minute chart. RSI is flat, perhaps to curl right back up. Bullish case scenario, we end up back at 180, 182, 180. Church girls are wild. Huh, Zelly? Is there a specific, like, is it Christian or is it Catholic girls? Oh my God. It's for everyone's safety. Yeah, everyone's safety. Just don't forget to grab yourself a bottle of holy water. Protect yourself from diseases. I think you need that, Matt. I think you need to drench all that holy water all over your body for your protection's sake. I got me some big belly. What are we doing? Can you? Oh my god. Give me that, mother. It burns. It probably has some garlic and onions in there. Sure you're not a vampire? Look at that. ENSV is in a chopping mode since 26 cents. Just never seemed to get out of this range. We did test in the after hours 29. This is almost at 30 cents. I can't never tell what's going on with ENSV. But let's check the daily. Yeah, look at that. It's been since that sell-off. Then we've entered in this range between 27 cents and 46 cents. Yeah, look at that. Look at those swings. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So it's probably looking for another up day from here, and it's oversold at 13. So perhaps we can test 30 cents again, or 32. Get yourself a little pop right there. It is. I'm gonna cut this like in 9 minutes, because I was saying like I wasn't trying to drag this any longer, but yeah, sooner or later I'm gonna probably feel tired too, and just relax, take a shower, be all mellowed out, relaxing, let that water drip all over, take a deep breath, and think about tomorrow and how to make that big bag, you know what I'm saying? Yo, Matt, what's crazy is that I think now those doses are weak. You gotta take 2. ENSV. Why are you not typing? Oh, this really? They're really talking about that? I mean, like he's not. He's more like a streamer, like podcast type of dude, and they just talk about different things. Like he doesn't view charts, you know. He's more like a motivator speaker for GTII and Finger and other stocks. But me, I don't have no competition because I do charts. I do the charting. He does the talking. On this end, I don't know. I talk. I could talk about other things too. Shit, we could talk about Viagra, Cialis. Which one is better for you? Which one is gonna give you less side effects, and which is gonna give you the ability to to be able to get 5 shares instead of 2 shares of GTII, and then not be able to like faint on the second round. C. We're going to C. And we're going to find out if C. No. If C4 Therapeutics is going for that rug pull. Not financial advice. So we got that little that jump here from 1 to 837, and okay, and then so what we're calling this is a potential pump and dump, right? A pumpy dumpy. You can see that the MACD is really wide and at the peak, about to reach 80. So from there, and since the bars are a lot darker in the green, darker green, you can bet yo ass that we fall straight down and cross that MACD. The RSI, the slow RSI, is way overbought, and yeah, we're looking to come back to $1 by the end of this week. Just a prediction, not financial advice. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing right now. You got the 8 displaced EMA turning around and hopefully to fall right below the 200-day displaced EMA. Let's look at the 4 hour. We can give a little confirmation there. Yeah, that we indeed are seeing that trend. 3 candles in a row here on the 4 hour. We can technically say that this is a bigger red candle. Your hammer that was right before that, and volume is definitely low. The RSI is still in neutral, almost in neutral, from the overbought territory and coming way down. And yeah, we got a test here, 402, $4 level, break below that, and we see dumpage all the way down to the depths of hell. And so here we got 271 at the 200 to 240 as the next level of support. For perhaps we could see that bounce at that rate, at that level. So yeah, just be careful. This is really risky, a risky play. Therapeutics stocks. Did mention that, stocks like these, when you have a big pop one day, the next day it tends to not survive without a probable cause or a reason to believe that this stock is indeed strong, and analysts are looking at it as a strong buy. But that's just my opinion, strictly my opinion, everything that I say here. And yeah, this is in fact crossing right over. We could look here at the 15-minute mark here. There's always a catch for sure, you know what I'm saying? And here we avoided many times trading above the 200-day on the 15-minute chart. Once it tried one time, but that actually failed and returned back underneath the 200. Tried it once again and then failed once more. Therefore, giving us that confirmation or the reason that CCCC will come down below and test new lows, and perhaps a lot of people that they were hoping to catch a squeeze um, will probably get asked out, and they will be probably holding the bag on that one. Yeah, really risky. So yeah. Where is the SPY right now? SPY is currently. Oh, goodness gracious. Of course, it will try. Of course, SPY will try its best to recover from that big blow that happened earlier today. From 475 all the way to 467.36. Oof. That is such a huge drop. Oh, I wish I could have caught that drop. And a lot of people are saying that too as well, because that is a mean drop. God knows how many people have printed off of puts. It's unfortunate. But again, this could be the beginning of the end. This could be the beginning of what's to be called the biggest bull trap in history, the biggest correction that we've ever seen in quite some time, perhaps more than a decade. And we'll see if it holds around this 469 level, and then things just start to come right back down and retest new lows. If not, of course, being that SPY, would probably flip on us, try to recover, test 470 again, and and see if it fails and rejects right back down, and that's your opportunity to take advantage and get into some positions. Of course, there's always risk. Just have to say it. Currently, it's 469.32. Today's close was at 468.26. We'll review GME next, and then AMC, and then we'll call the stream. And just want to show you something. I was also having fun with the GME on the chart on the 4-hour, and I was just pretty much like creating a scenario, just theoretically. Just predicting like bullish and bearish case scenarios for GME, and I don't want to brag. I want to. I'm just quite shocked myself, because I just literally put the circle here, and I'm like, okay, I'll just put it here, and then this circle would be the bullish case scenario afterwards, and we'll rebound, and then we'll ride right back up, or we will continue trade sideways for a bit, and then market opens, and then we ride with the market if the market decides to also come right back down and test new day lows, and then GME would probably do the same thing and retest $16.50, $16 into this circle, which I'm gonna expand just a little tiny bit, un poquito, like this, and even the indicators here, the MACD, show that we have crossed. We flipped to the red, and the RSI too as well. We are completely down back to making those lows on the oversold territory, and that is my take on GME. Keep that noted. So if anything, just be cautious. Be cautious. But right now, as I'm seeing these displaced EMAs looking bearish to me, once that 8-day crosses over the 18, there you go, and that's the continuation to the downside. If we so happen to do that and then test the 43 and then bounce right back up, then we would probably get that bullish case scenario and retest those highs at 17 1770 around there, and that's my prediction there. Keep that noted, Zelly. And then for AMC, we also sold off, making new day lows, and we were down almost 8.50% on the day. Pretty nasty, you might say, if I just may. If I could just lure you with my voice and tell you exactly what I'm seeing. The trends are exactly doing just that too as well, like GME, and they want more downside. They want more. They want 6. They want 6. And they want it bad. We have that arrow here on the RG trend chaser, which I've just started using. So if that's confirmation there, then I don't know what is. But we could be seeing new lows tomorrow, also with the market. But 6 is that level. So what we're going to do here is put a price level right on 6. Just like that. And then resistance would be 679. Here is, the Church of All Trades is in session. Amen. And I gotta tell you that if you get caught holding the bag, you might as well be caught holding the sack and calling yourself a failure because you decided to keep doing the same mistakes. Repent for all your sins and just know that He is watching. So just make sure that you're doing the right thing and following the trend, following the money. Hallelujah. Follow the money, because $6 is next. And if that is not the case, then we could retest and perhaps see 650 again. But that's if this consolidates for quite some time throughout pre-market. We will see. This could be a little indicator right here. Senores, as the bar is dark green. So we could be seeing that confirmation too as well here. And this is just a 15-minute chart. Have I ever told you about the 1 hour? No. But you know what? The 1 hour is actually telling me something just a little bit different. But then again, why does this remind me of a bull flag? Can we just talk about that right now? So we either trend back down, or we either trend back up. What do y'all think in the chat? What could clearly happen to AMC tomorrow? Bear flag, break over, or break under and retest 6 on the support. Let's check the weekly. I haven't checked the weekly in some time. Okay. All right. Look how long I have to stretch this out. Look how deep. This is so deep. You probably might be thinking the wrong thing right now after I just said that. But even here, look at this. Weekly, eh? MACD, trend, boom, bounce, come back down. The blue line is over the neutral. This stays right on. This stays over and continues to the upside. Then, wow, I just noticed there's a lot of gaps to be filled. Some deep gaps here. And what do you say? Look at that. How deep is your love? How deep is your love? No, 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 no. Max Payne is $7. Ooh, let's check this out. Yep, for the 22nd for Friday is $7. So in that theory, with what I said, pull back perhaps to 6, retest, bounce back, and then by the 22nd, see if it actually fulfills that forecast of Max Payne at $7. That could be a nice swing right there. But wow, look at, oh my gosh, out of the money contracts expiring on the 22nd, almost 100K. In the money is 32,386 for puts. And in the money calls 1,283. Damn. Check out January 19. So there's more in the money contracts than puts for January 19 expiration. More out of the money calls than out of the money puts. And the max Payne for that is 650. January 26th, they have the max Payne at 7. February 16 at 7. March 15 at 550. Interesting. How deep is that? That's real deep. Oh my god. Sheesh. What's the borrow fee? 0.57. Excuse me. Available 4,900,000. Just like yesterday. I mean, just no. It's still the same. What the hell? Ugh. Wow. Okay, it's all the same date. That's horrible. That's horrible to see. For a fee percentage that small, that's barely anything for these shorts. Failure to delivers back in August 18. And after that whole split happened, I think it's just non-existent. November 21st with 547,836 failure to livers. Ouch indeed. Total short volume reported today was a lot higher than yesterday and the day before at 51.35%. Total volume reported 17,689,000. God damn. Oof. 15-minute. Got a crayon going up. Let's close this. 15-minute. Okay. All right. 15-minute. MACD is technically green. RSI is still oversold. You see it, there's like a slight incline here, actually. Slight inclining here little by little. Boom, boom. Moving ever so slowly. The volume is crazy here, like it's quiet. All right, I think I'm done with the stream. Like my brain just went blank. I think I'm out of things to say about this, because this is mind-boggling. What do you guys think? Moistly towelette. Sup, yo, black. Hey, yo, hit that black button. How about that? What up? How you gonna be done when Moistly arrives? Mo, where have you been? I've been waiting for you for like an hour. We're trying to figure this stuff out, and you already missed the the motion in fingers in your moistly towelette. What do we have here? Yo, I cannot tell. I can't. This is wild. Got that arrow just pointing down, like, bitch. What was the last low for AMC? This said Moistly Towelette copped a 36 bagger on SPX puts. Today, he's been putting a finger all in his ass. Finger all in my ass. That's crazy. Wait, pause. I put the finger all in my eyes. In my eyes. Don't you worry, my friend. I got the finger ready for your ass. That finger is gonna cost you a lot of money. Yes. Don't you worry, my friend. Don't you worry. It's not gonna hurt. Or just put a little bit of the towelette. It's a little moist, yes, and then we're gonna make it nice and soft. Don't you make it nice and easy for me, please. Nah, but yeah, finger is it's hanging in there. Well, I actually was just looking at the SPY real quick about the action it had today and the crazy drop from 475 to 468, and regretting the fact that I could have just like caked on puts myself. I hope you did. And I hope you put yourself, I hope you gave yourself time on those SPX puts. You're definitely going to need it. Because it's going to be one wild Christmas week, New Year's week, and just going into January in general. Like, it's going to be wild. But honestly, Finger just gave me the V. And this V is gonna give me another V, and then we're gonna pop it like it's hot, and we're gonna trade right over $4 one more time, and hopefully it holds from there, and we see more volume come through, cause it's still oversold. Technically, we've been oversold for quite some time, for like almost a month. Yeah. Over a month. So with that, I feel like it'd probably be a good time. You do ODTs. Sheesh. I do ODTs, and I feel like I get smacked. I just get shat on. But today would have been a lot different. But I just missed out on the opportunity, and I was in other plays, unfortunately. Just saying, his finger got him the V. Yeah, my finger got inside the V, Matt. And it's looking like it's gonna push a lot deeper into the V, and then push over 4 and possibly 415, and just give us the volume that we need for finger to go crazy. And then the same with GTII. I explained GTII, yesterday we had that reversal imminent, and it so happened that we were actually up 11% on the day, and then we had that sell off on the market. So I think it kind of had some type of correlation with it, where GTI decided to just sell a little bit down more, and then we ended up closing at 43 cents, 4.31215. And and for me, in my opinion, I think that's a great thing. That's a great thing to see. It's a great thing to see. We got one heck of a curl up right here. And the RSI is way oversold. We are like way below that oversold line here at 3. What was this? No, at 4.25. That oversold line is at 20. So with this gap, we have so much gaps to fill. We have a possibility, well, we have a theory that we made up, and there was this Trento mine deal that we were going over earlier in the stream, and what they're all about. It's a mining project, rare earth minerals, iron, things like that. But yeah, like I just put it here. You know, like what if like this area here and this reversal is set for like buyers to come in because a deal is probably going to be made, and Trento is already at towards like the end of the year, where if you were following Matt earlier, if you were actually following earlier, um, um, right here, as it says here, the Trento Spa owning 1,400 hectares of mining concessions for rare earth minerals and iron in Chile. Operations are projected to commence in 2022, with full-scale production expected by the end of 2023, and we are close to the end of 2023, so we are literally at the cusp. We are literally right there, Matty boy. Matty boy. If they indeed, uranium is rare, but Eurasium is even rarer. I don't even know what that means. My ass, like my ass is a gem. It's a precious gem, you know. You just can't be rough with it. But since we're coming close to that, let's see, we're right here. I'm gonna put it right here. Let's make this circle a lot bigger, and right here. Wait, let me move this a little bit more. Bam. So here, let me see. All right, let's just put that right there. So, with that being said, I'm leaving this right here. We're gonna see a possible reversal. We want a pop to 10,000 a share with the Trento mine deal almost coming to a close, and yeah, that's just theory. That's just a theory. JR. Oh, what? Whoa, that's unexpected. What's up, JR? What's going on, brother? How's everything? Well, I mean, it's been a while in I mean, maybe on YouTube, but yeah, man, it's a pleasure. Dude, it was great stuff last weekend on that space call. Thank you again, dude. You're like, the information was endless. Like, I wish I had that much intel and that much information to share. You know, like, I still have a lot to learn, honestly, but I like to be in the present. I like to support. I like to be with, you know, everyone in this fight. And I'm telling you, like, this thing is ramping up. I feel it. They got to give us that Christmas present that we've been wanting. You know what I'm saying? But hopefully you've been having a great holiday, JR. We are in the process of perhaps doing another space this coming Saturday. I got to talk with Maddie over here and Dr. Demo, and see if we can set up another time on Saturday. Just chill, share some thoughts, you know. Because like now that I discovered about this whole Trento mine deal, and how we're literally like close to the end of the year, and this, I mean, if that's the case, like, could this be the scenario? But I don't know. That's just me. It's just my opinion. I don't know what you think, but chart wise, I'm optimistic. I'm seeing this MACD flipping, oversold on the RSI, way oversold. Like we overdue for something to happen. And what else we got here? Yeah, just that pretty much. But yeah, everyone who's been coming into the room, again, I cannot stress this enough. Thank you for showing some love. Thank you for hitting that like button. Thank you for being subscribers. Even though, I'm still learning, I'm still getting my groove on with the stream. I'm trying to be in the big leagues. I'm trying to be like a big streamer. Hopefully I make something happen. But yeah, I appreciate the love and positive vibes back to everybody, back to you, JR. Big hearts. Yeah, man, it's always a pleasure. It's always a pleasure having you on the space. And it's crazy. We had over 2,000 views on that space. So yeah, we definitely had that space on fire. We all did. And I can't wait to do it again with all of you. But yeah, we will, I'll have a good holiday, I'll be able to just relax, nothing crazy. I'm just gonna let it ride. GD Culture Group. Wait, can you actually explain more about this stock? Because I know I've heard it. Wait, did I hear it from William one time on stream? I know he discovered. I mean, he discussed different tickers, including Logic, but let's see, GDC. What's the news on them? GD Culture Group unveils its innovative marketing approach, one story at a time. Oh. Okay, so they're a Nevada holding company currently conducting business through its subsidiary AI Catalyst Corp. Okay. Company plans to enter into the live streaming market with focus on e-commerce and live streaming interactive games through its wholly owned U.S. subsidiary AI Catalysis, based in Nevada. Company's main business including AI-driven digital human technology, live streaming e-commerce business, and live streaming interactive games. Okay, so I'm gonna check that out later after the stream is over. Let's check this baby out on the chart. What is going on? Let's check the weekly. Ah, damn. Wait, hold on. This was a $348 stock. Are you kidding me? Was there a split somewhere? That's probably. Hold on, let me look at the daily because that usually tells me. Let's go to the 10-year. Heavily involved in AI and TikTok, etc. That's huge. That's a big deal. So they never had any split or anything like that, because that's insane how this was a $348 stock back in February of 2021. And we were at a low here the year before, October, at 21, 22. Okay. Okay, so the one I just read, that's one of them. That's their latest. Hold on. My mouse is not... It's not cooperating with me. Okay, GD Culture's group's portfolio company, Digitrax, unveils new AI music trading model license for publishers, composers, producers, and beat makers. Wow, okay. I would assume with it, that whole AI technology of like being able to use people's like artists' voice, creating music with that, and creating new tracks and all of that stuff. Like, because mind you, before a long time ago when they were doing all of that stuff with artists like Drake and Ariana Grande and such like that, Kanye. So I feel like they see that as an opportunity to create something big within the music marketplace. And this is just me just guessing, but with this technology that can be able to transform this music company, work with them, and damn, the digital future is definitely upon us, for sure. Just reading on that. What else? Whoa, wait a minute. 11. This is November 29th. GD Culture Group to expand its AI frontier with GPT-4 powered AI agent. So that's another press release right there, I'm guessing. From digital avatars to AI agents, GD Culture Group to expand its AI frontier with GPT-4 powered AI agent. By harnessing the power of OpenAI GPT-4, AI agents will provide users with highly interactive and personalized experiences. Evolved from the company's existing digital avatars, these AI agents will transcend visually appealing into these to become highly functional and customized AI-powered assistants, each possessing a unique character. Oh my god. Yo, this is crazy. This is mind-blowing. I don't know. I'm here like just looking at this. There has to be something within that time frame. This was yeah, so February 17, 2021. I wonder if I can actually go back that far. No, I can't. Hold on. I don't think it allows me to, honestly. I would have to like dig in Google and find out. Unless they had some sort of an acquisition or something. I don't know. But then again, thinking about it, like around that time, there was a lot of, like after the whole AMC GME debacle, around that same time frame, around the beginning of February 2021, there was so many other stocks that just started gaining thousands of %. And I mean, that's just me guessing, but this looks quite like it. They just decided to choose a random stock and be like, hey, here you go, let's just squeeze this thing. Because that's one heck of a gain. But if we're talking about from that point all the way from $1.80, and then we had this pop here. Were you in this before this pop or after this pop? If you're still here, JR. Where? Hold on. Okay, here. Yeah, this was trading at $2.62 to $3 maybe. No, wait, $2.50. 221, 230, 250. Boom. This thing went from 290 to a high of 44 bucks. Oh my gosh. This was May. Okay, so this was May 1st. May 1st. Damn, but there's no no. Yeah, I only see from the 16. Let's see. Alright, the 16 only shows that they had released a quarterly report in a Form 10 filing. I'm gonna have to go back and see what happened there. Okay, so a month ago. Alright. Okay, so let's fast forward to a month ago. And I'm gonna guess that this company is now considered at new 52-week lows. And the stock is undervalued for sure. We had an opportunity here back on November 20th, but we had a big rejection underneath the 200 displaced EMA, and then started shorting it back down. Low here at 225, and ever since this point, we actually started gaining momentum. All right, let's see. So it's either two things, and I'm not an expert. I'm just letting you know. I'm still learning this, so I need some time. But we can either retest lows. At 225 as level support. Then this would have to be, you see what I mean? Yo, my mouse is just bugging. I need to buy a new mouse. Okay, we're back. All right, and then this would have to be, let's see where we at. Let's go to the 4 hour. Let's have a better idea now what we're seeing on here. After this, then I'm gonna call it a night, and I'm definitely gonna put this on my watch list. So once again, thank you, JR, for sharing this. Okay, so alright, so now that I'm seeing this on the 4 hour, MACD had flipped on the red side, so we're coming down just a bit. RSI also was coming from overbought territory, so now it's neutral, it's coming back down. So that further confirms, in my opinion, that we can be retesting these lows. 245. So between, let's say, the range between 225 and 245, around there. So let me draw this box out. There you go, and then this would be resistance. Expand this a little bit more, like right here. Why you do this to me? Okay. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna look for that mouse in my closet, because I really can't. This thing is like annoying. You see, like I'm double clicking and it's zooming. I'm not trying to double click. Oh my god. Lord help me. And then the last, let's see. So it looks like it liked to hit these levels here as resistance too. So we can, hold on, let me do this. So we can put another one right over here. So this is too big. My goodness. It's Univest? No. Bruh, Univest is all over this too? Just like Finger and HKD. Wow, that just changes everything. And I can't blame them though. They can definitely hit it big with this one too. Especially when it comes to what they're known for. Especially dealing with AI, ChatGPT, and all those press releases that I just read. Like, that's huge. Oh, that changes everything. Oh, Lord have mercy. Good God. All right, so prediction. Take it with a grain of salt. All right. What we see in the 4 hour. Let's see in the 4 hour. This is the bear case scenario. You see as the RSI is slowly coming down. Perhaps this would be the scenario. You hit a bounce. If this candle proceeds to engulf with more green, this will be the next level. Either we get the retest at this area of support and then bounce right back to this area, or we just gain in volume over the previous press release, and then we hit right back over to 3. It's not to say that it's like accurate, but I figured why not give us a little double bottom action. Boom, boom, bounce right back up to 93, and then if all is well and a lot more volume picks up, then we can definitely see 350 in the near future. But Univest? Oh my god. Oh my god. Does this have options? Hold on. I gotta figure out if this has actually options. It's in the NASDAQ. Okay, unfortunately this GDC does not have options. So it's just shares only. Not financial advice, not to tell you to buy or sell or do any of that thing. You are your own decision maker of your money and what you do. Trade at your own risk. Trade responsibly. Okay. See what the comments are saying here. Somebody's begging for this to go up. Somebody a day ago says waiting for 235 to load up. Isn't that something fun? Isn't that funny, right? That's the same area I have over here. So they want this to come back to 235, and then perhaps we hit the bounce. Of course, this market is rigged. Durr. No options. Oh, I appreciate you hearing my insights. My hypothetical TA. I try to do my best. I'm just, maybe I'm just lucky to have caught some things right, like GME. I'm gonna show you real quick. I'm gonna show you real quick what happened. I was doing the same thing, just drawing, highlighting circles on the chart, and then when the whole market just started flushing down, and the crazy thing is that GameStop was actually trending back up to cross to enter this area of resistance around 1850, and it almost made it until that whole thing happened, and it literally fell right into the circle that I highlighted here. So I'm like, how the what? Me and Zelly, like, together, we were like shocked and awe. It was like, wait, this actually did fulfill. If that was the case, we would have just went on it on puts and just riding the drop from there. It could even possibly retest 16, but that's just an example. And if it's that accurate, dude, I mean, what could I say? But let's see what you said. On one hand, no options means less ways to, yeah, no, you're right. Less ways for them to do any funny business or to hammer it on zero expirations. So this is definitely a good thing, because as you know, even HKD as well, who was a part of the investors of Univest, and oh man, sometimes I just think about it and I'm like, I wish I could just rewind, go back in time, and just get back in when this thing was going to 2,000 a share. Like, that was the wildest thing I ever seen in my life. For this to go from like 15, no, like, yeah, from like 12, 15 bucks all the way to $2,555 a share. Oh man, just throwing in like 1K in there, getting out at 2K, just set. We would just be set. So wait a minute. GDC. Okay, now that you say that, that does sound familiar. Maybe it did IPO. Maybe I remember that as one of the IPOs, the Hong Kong IPO. It was like the summer of Hong Kong IPOs that was just being released left and right and going crazy. I think GTC was one of them. I might be wrong, but I got a feeling. But even HKD, like, coming back from that explosion, and he even had like different events where it tried again and then shorted back down, pops here and there, and then just shorted. Now it's back to all-time lows, 367. We're at 424, and yeah. Who would think if they would have the capability to produce a second episode of HKD to go crazy again? Let's say if that was the scenario, if that was the theory for HKD, heck, I wouldn't mind dropping in a couple of hundreds in there, just to see what happens. Love is in friends. Oh my god, no way. Love is in friends. Oh, da da da. This one. Yeah, I actually made I actually make these beats. I made these beats I think last year. I'm gonna show you my channel. Let me not do that. Well, hopefully you got all of that noted. You took notes of what's. Wait, hold on. What is that? Oh, okay, I got it. A little bug in my screen. Nasty. Yeah. This is the channel right here. It's supposed to be mainly lo-fi music because I'm trying to go with the trends. So these are all my videos right now. And all the music that you've been hearing on my past streams, yeah, this is all the list right here. These are the songs. Thank you. I should continue to work on new music. This is actually one that I have in progress too. It's just a slow jam. It's more like, like those channels that say, it's for chill, it's for studying, smoking, going for a drive at nighttime, cruising down the street, looking at all the craziness going on, thinking about life, thinking about how GDC can be the next HKD and squeeze to 1,000 a share. And yeah, so yeah, feel free to follow the channel. Whenever I have the time, I'll put some new stuff there. Just grow my playlist and pretty much archive the music. Write songs and sing a little for fun. Really, R&B a cappella group back in the day. Wow. Oh shoot. Dude, I'm like really curious to know. Do you have anything like in YouTube that you could probably share, or of course R&B is my shit. If you got a channel, I'll sub to your channel too. Yeah, I'm a this is my little R&B right here. I didn't know what to say. I was just making up random lyrics. But yeah, check it out. This is just a freestyle. A little simple freestyle. I don't really didn't know what to say. It's just a sample. Overlay. I might do this over. Oh baby. Let's go to the room. Undressing your room. Oh, you don't know. Get a little sexy over here. What I'm trying to do. I like to see you like that. I really wanna put you on your back. I really wanna take it slow and get feeling more. Deeper connection, oh. Deeper connection, oh. Spiritual. I have a SoundCloud too. I can definitely follow you on there. So sexy and so free. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. But yeah, that's one right there. Damn. Jesus Christ. Oh shit. What's that other one at? SoundCloud, man. I'll follow you right now. Just let me know. Damn, there was another. Hold on, there was another song I did. Kind of little explicit though, to be honest. It's not lying, if not sexy. Damn, baby. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it right now. Let me see. I had it on YouTube, but then again, it was a little, like I had one word in there, and it was a bit explicit. So I kind of didn't like want to risk it. Risk it for the biscuit. You know what I'm saying? Tell my projects. Ya no puede caminar. But no, honestly, man, like, it's just things that I'm just thinking about right now. For real. Just let me know what's good. Where are the... Yeah, I can't even find the songs. I forgot where it is. Is it documents? Data. Studio. Projects. Damn. I know what I like. Honestly, I don't even know which song it was. I'm gonna have to find out, cause I know I still have it. Anyway, I don't know. BJ is still. JR is still there. HKD is going for that GDC. GDC, you know me. We're gonna go back up 2-3. Look at that. It's been staying in a range for some time too. Gotcha. I just got the notification on my Twitter. I appreciate that. Go to Twitter. You want me to? I should probably like. Wait. First off, can I stream it? Can I stream it? Oh shoot. Wait, hold on. Permission to stream it? You let me know if it's cool to play it. I don't want no copyright strike. You gotta let me know. I'm down and driving the road in my big pickup truck. Alright, bet. So fluid on that piano. Driving my big pickup truck, looking at them ladies, talking that they wanna eat some steaks, don't wanna take a break. The night is young. I love it. I like that guitar. You know that noise it makes. Like you, it's like a tool that you put in your fingers, and you just make that noise like. Something about it that just like it. Oh, I just love that sound. No, it's just. No, it's just so difficult to explain. Love has no distance. I know, you know that it don't matter. That I will love you the same. I will love you the same. Nothing is impossible. Wait. Oh no, this is different. Okay, that's damn. That's what I'm saying. That steel guitar, the tube, it's just something about that sound that just hits you like real deep. That reminds me of Willie Nelson's "Crazy." I want to play it so bad because I just the intro, quick intro, like 3 seconds. Is it this one? No. I just wanted to use the intro as the example. Yeah, I'm not going any further than that. Oh yeah. This is just let's see, what's the one you got over here? Is this the same one? Costa. Okay, this is the piano version. This is the guitar version. Okay. Faster. Ooh. That kick. That kick just coming in like that. Boom. Boom. Oh man, this is great stuff. Then what we got over here? It's a slower type beat over here. Ooh. Oh, they got the banjo in there. Just hear that banjo. Wow. Ooh, this is giving me chills right now, bro. Wow. Oh, yeah. Yo, this is really freaking awesome. It's the way you flicking the banjo like that, dude. Bro, what? DJ Khaled. Another one. Another one. It's like a couple of genres in there, a lot of fusions in there. Like, hey, 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 hey. Baby, I love you, I love you, I love you, and I need you. I want you. Can I reach you? Yeah, yeah. Can I reach you? Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Wait, so how long have you been doing this for? Like, it seems like you had a lot of years in your play, like, I mean, on your record. Just doing this. I want to guess maybe 10 years. I want to say probably like a decade doing music. More than that, maybe. Because this is like, what's some top tier shit? Like, no joke. And if you're working with a producer and he throws his name there, that is a big deal. And I wish nothing but success. I hope that happens. I really do. I'm putting it out in the universe. Dang, you got 2 kids. I feel you. I'm not there yet. But for sure. Maybe do some things at home while your kids are sleeping. Just work on things back and forth. Dang. I really appreciate you sharing those for sure. I gotta go on my account on my phone to add you. But I haven't really been on a SoundCloud like that to update any music that I've been doing on here. Dang, you started writing in the late 90s. Oof. Well, I was in elementary school in the 90s. You must be way up there. No doubt, brother. Let's see. If there's any new updates, just let me know on not only GDC but your music, and then definitely let you know what's going to go on Saturday, and then we will set up a space, and then we're gonna get this popping for sure. All right. Let me call it a night for this stream. My butt is hurting. Damn, we're going on almost three hours. Sheesh. Damn. Oh my god. I can't even stand up right now. But if you interested in going back what I was talking about in the stream, I got talking about SPY, I was talking about oil, I talk about a couple of basket of oil squeeze stocks, quote unquote, that I've been following for some time, and yeah, man, feel free to okay, you know what, man, you know what, that's true. If anything, because Christmas Eve is on the 24th. Oh no, that's Sunday. Oh, Saturday the 23rd. Okay. Yeah, that was. But yeah, if that's the case, you enjoy that, brother. You have a great time that Saturday afternoon. I don't know what I'm gonna do for this Christmas weekend. Probably go to a family gathering, but we'll see what happens. But anyways, we'll catch up. We'll keep posted, stay updated, and just let me know what's up. And then Zelly, I appreciate you always, with all of my heart, not just the bottom, for being here as my mod queen. And yeah, it means a lot. Thanks for supporting the channel. Thanks for the likes. We hit a record, baby. We got 10 likes. We got 10 likes for tonight's stream. So that's special for me, and it's special for me to share it with everybody. But yeah, let me say good night to everybody. Good morning and a good afternoon. And until the next stream, signing off. Much love. Stay safe. And yeah, this has been. Thank you. Really, thank you. But yeah, I'll catch you in the next stream. I'll take it easy. Line of all trades. Setting out. Take care. En 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.